Right, what we got?
Not good clue.
Oh, it's chocolate muffin, by the looks of it. Chocolate in the middle?
No.
Right, so which one was your favourite?
I was going to say the fish, the sour popping candy, and then that's probably, and these crisp. That's going to
Oh,
be
the chocolate biscuits.
Yeah.
I mean, I did quite like these. These were nice.
I
Well,
do not like them.
I quite like this little treat. I wouldn't be able to eat many of them, but they are nice. So I think that's everything.
Yeah. So like and subscribe, and then we'll see you next time with lots more treats from around the world. Subscribe to Skylar's channel.